Hi kids, welcome to my channel Prepare with Arun. In this video, I'm going to discuss the NEET questions that were asked from the chapter Biological Classification. Which of the following are found in extreme saline conditions? Generally, Archaebacteria are found in most harsh habitats, and Archaebacteria halophile is seen in extremely salty areas. So the correct option is option D, Archaebacteria. Other Archaebacteria such as thermoacidophiles are seen in hot springs, and methanogens are seen in marshy areas. Viroids differ from viruses in having. So viroids are infectious agents that are smaller than viruses. They are nothing but free RNA particles without a protein coat. So the correct option is option C, RNA molecules without protein coat. Which among the following are the smallest living cells known without a definite cell wall, pathogenic to plants as well as animals, and can survive without oxygen? Mycoplasma, they are organisms that completely lack a cell wall. They are the smallest living cells, they can survive without oxygen, and they are pathogenic in animals and plants. So the correct option is option B, Mycoplasma. Which one of the following is wrong for fungi? They are eukaryotic. That is correct. All fungi possess a purely cellulosic cell wall. That's wrong because the cell wall of a fungi doesn't have a cellulose. They are heterotrophic. That is also correct. They can be either saprophytic or parasitic. They are both unicellular and multicellular. That is also correct. Yeast is a unicellular fungi. Mushroom is an example of multicellular fungi. So the wrong statement is option B. Methanogens belong to. So already we have discussed methanogen is an archaebacteria that live in marshy areas. So the correct answer is option B. Select the wrong statement. The walls of diatoms are easily destructible. The first statement itself is wrong because the walls of diatoms are embedded with silica and they are indestructible. Diatomaceous earth is formed by the cell walls of diatoms. That is correct. Diatoms are the chief producers in the ocean. That is also correct. Diatoms are microscopic and float passively in water. That is also correct. So the wrong statement is option A. The primitive prokaryotes responsible for the production of biogas from the dung of ruminant animals include the methanogens. They are present in the gut of ruminant animals such as cows and buffaloes, and they are responsible for production of methane gas from the dung of those animals. So the correct option is option A, methanogens. One of the major components of cell wall of most fungi is the fungal cell wall is composed of chitin and polysaccharides. So the correct option is option C. Which one of the following statements is wrong? Eubacteria are also called as false bacteria. That is wrong because eubacteria are also called as true bacteria. Phycomycetes are also called as algal fungi. That's correct. Cyanobacteria are also called as blue-green algae. It's correct. Golden algae are also called desmids. So the wrong one is option A. Which one of the following statements is wrong for viroids? So we have already discussed viroids are infectious agents. They are smaller than viruses. They lack a protein coat and their RNA have low molecular weight. So the wrong statement is option B. Chrysophytes, euglenoids, dinoflagellates and slime molds are included in the kingdom. So all single-celled eukaryotes are placed under Protista. So this includes chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime molds and protozoans. So the correct answer is option D. The imperfect fungi which are decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling belong to. Actually, Deuteromycetes are called as imperfect fungi, and some of them are saprophytes or parasites, while most of them are decomposers of litter and they help in mineral cycling. Examples such as Alternaria and Trichoderma, they belong to Deuteromycetes, hence the correct option is option C. In which group of organisms the cell walls form two thin overlapping shells which fit together? In chrysophytes such as diatoms, the cell walls form two thin overlapping shells and they fit together like a soap box. So the correct option is option C. Pick up the wrong statement. Some fungi are edible. That's correct. Example is mushroom. Nuclear membrane is present in Monera. Except Monera, in other kingdoms like Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia, they have nuclear membrane. Monera doesn't have a nuclear membrane, so option B is the wrong statement. Cell wall is absent in Animalia, that is correct. Protista have photosynthetic and heterotrophic modes of nutrition, that is also correct. So option B is the wrong statement. Choose the wrong statement. Morels and truffles are poisonous mushrooms. That is wrong because both morels and truffles, they are edible members of Ascomycetes. So option A is wrong and the other options are correct. Cell wall is absent in. We have already discussed that mycoplasmas, the smallest living cells known, lack a cell wall and they can survive without oxygen. So option A is the correct answer. Select the wrong statement. The term contagium vivum fluidum was coined by M.W. Beijerink. This is correct. Mosaic disease in tobacco and AIDS in human being are caused by viruses. This is also correct. The viroids were discovered by D.J. Ivanovsky. This is wrong because it was discovered by T.O. Diner in the year 1971. W.M. Stanley showed that viruses could be crystallized. That is also correct. So option C is the wrong statement. Which of the following shows coiled RNA strand and capsomers? Tobacco mosaic virus is a RNA virus. It has single-stranded coiled RNA molecule as its genetic material. Its protein code consists of capsomers, which are helically arranged to form a hollow cylinder. So the correct option is option B. The motile bacteria are able to move by. Actually, flagellum is the organ of motility in bacteria. Hence, the correct option is option B, flagella. Viruses have protein code and they have either RNA or DNA. No virus contains both RNA and DNA. Therefore, the correct option is option A, DNA enclosed in a protein coat. If you like my explanation, kindly like the video, share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Prepare with Arun. Thank you.